Wi-Fi, spy camera, Full HD, video and wide-angle view, motion detection and night vision, compact and durable design, very easy to use.
Alright, so what we get with the camera? USB cable to charge a camera. Perfect, you can charge with your computer, even with the phone charger. Gooseneck. Now, camera holder, you know what it's perfect for? In my case, I put it right in the car dashboard and then just grab the camera, stick it right there. Now, also a 3M with metal sticker. So you can put this anywhere, stick it around the wall, whatever you want, and then just grab the camera, and the camera, since the camera is magnetic, boom, it holds it right there. I will say this one is a dedicated version. It's a 3M both sides, so you put it here, or maybe you want, I don't know, piece of metal and stick it right there and hold it. Now this one, nice, you can hold the camera with this one and keeping it close, ring your bell. So you can record whatever you want. Now, let me give you a good idea. Now the camera full charge, it's about 2 hours. So now this one, you can put it right in the computer, anywhere. Or how about this? Use a battery bank and charge the camera right in the same time. This one will last you, I don't know, 24 hours, maybe, I'm not sure how many. So good idea, right? So now you can charge the camera at the same time and record. That's a nice idea. All right, so let's take a look at the camera. Power on and off. Preset. Micro SD card, 128 gig. Microphone. And to charge the camera. It is simple. Use the cable supplied with the camera. In my case, I use my own cable. Plug it in. And now you're going to see a little red light right there. Can we see that? It will be real hard. It has a small LED red when it's charging. To turn it on and off, pretty simple. Press the power. And it's a green light. Can we see the green light there? And you can reset it here. Now, the first time, if it's not sync, you will see the green light blinking off and on. And now you can sync the camera. So the next section, we're going to sync the camera for the first time. All right, so this is the manual. So the first thing we need to do, use the RQ reader, either for your iPhone or Android phone, scan it and download the application. When you download and execute the application, it's called HID BCam, and we execute the application. Now, the first time you need to create an account, already there. Pretty simple, a few questions, and you get an account in. So, the next thing is hit the camera. We press the plus. Now, at this point, very important that you set up a 2.4 gigahertz. So, if you have dual band, just pay attention, and mine it shows 5 gigahertz. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch my phone to a 2.4 network. So, now that I switch, I'm at 2.4, but we'll still see there 5 gigahertz. So, I'm going to go back again, and now we see 2.4. Now enter the password of your network, and at that point we click next, and that's what we have now. All right, so when you turn the camera, let's see, we can see that. Yes, we can see that. You see that blinking now? That's ready. There are a few ways to do it. One way is by refreshing over here, and should show up over here after a while. Or another way is by selecting the AP mode. So AP mode, you connect it, but you see it showed up there. So there is one way to do this way, or connect it straight to the camera, but we're going to use the easy way, right? So we click right there. Now we wait. And now we need to wait a counter, and it takes about 60 seconds or maybe less. All right, so now we're going to enter the password. So that will be the password for the camera. So we click confirm. And at this point, we can click any name, and we're going to use Office. confirm. All right, so we're ready. So already I have thumbnail of Pixie, my cat. So from here, we can see the idea of the camera. We can see the camera is online. We can upload to the cloud. We can emote devices. We can remove the camera. We can set the alarm, events, play and record. If you got the memory card installed there, we go to settings, device, the camera, library, if you have any video, and your profile. At that point, we hit play. And automatic, we see my cat right there. Right, she's sleeping. All right, so with the camera there, we can show you there the battery is 58% battery. We can turn on indicator. We can turn on the night vision. We can set from 720 to 1080. We can do full screen. That's full screen right there. In the full screen, we can take a picture. We can restart recording, and we'll hold the recording. Stop the recording right there. So the recording will be right over here, and at the same time the camera is recording as well there if you put a memory. Again, we can turn the alarm. We can pause. Let's go back to the main screen. And here we can set the voice. Voice is only for the voice of the camera, the microphone. So let me turn the volume up. It's going to have feedback, okay? Will give you an idea. Hello, hello. Not my nose. Hello, hello. All right. So that was the idea. All right, there's no speaker in the camera. By the way, you want to know the right way to point the camera. If you look in the top, right? That's the right way, because if you turn this way, right, it will be upside down. Even though you can change it over there in the camera, but that's the way. I'll show you that in case you want to put in your card and you want to set it up the phone. So make sure these two things points in the top and you set it right in the dashboard the way I did, and it's done. Now, again, we can take a picture in 4 view. So if you have 4 cameras to show you 4 view, you can rotate in that case. And then the next one is you're going to go back and we quit that, and we go into settings, and right away in the settings, the authorization for the camera, we already set that. Device name, you can change the device name, you can set the password, set your network, set the alarm. What do you want? You want thing to come on during the day, during the night. Volume control. Volume control, there's no need to use it. Volume control, if the camera will have a speaker. Card recording, you can format the card from your phone, and you can set the continue recording, loop recording. There's many ways. I think the loop is the best way to set it up, because after a while, if the memory is full, we'll go back and delete the older file. All right, and you can put up to 120 gig. Time, set your local time there. Battery indicator in the night vision. You can turn the night vision. You set the time, whatever you want that. IP, your IP, local network, and the firmware. Go back over there again. Yes. And she's sleepy today. All right, that's pretty simple. That's pretty cool. And like I said, you can take it around your car, put it in your dashboard. Yes, on battery. You can use this to hold your camera, put it around your clothes, and record any event, any party. Put it in your bell, put in your pack ball, put it anywhere, and the camera will record a cool video. All right, guys, so that's it. With this, we complete the tutorial how to set up the camera for the first time. Thank you. Bye.